Hello and welcome to this channel. This video will be just looking at some 2024 predictions for biology. Okay, I got a request from someone. They said, no, biology is too bulky, give us some predictions. Okay, so now here's what we're going to do. Now for biology, it's not like science or physics, which has very few topics. Okay, biology is very bulky, and the examiners, they try as much as possible to bring almost everything. Okay, so there's no way you can predict actually, but I'll just tell you the most important things that you have to know. Okay, and these, they'll come paper one, so I'll be mixing what comes in paper one and two at the same time. Okay, so the first topic there is characteristics of living organisms. Okay, these you have to know them. Okay, because paper one, the first question, the first two questions, or the first three questions, they will bring characteristics of living organisms. Okay, and these characteristics of living organisms, you must know these. It's a must. There are seven of them. Okay, there are seven of them. Okay, and sometimes we just I like to use this one here, Mrs. Grain, just to remember all the seven characteristics: movement, reproduction, sensitivity, growth, respiration, excretion, and nutrition, which is also known as feeding. Okay, so know these seven characteristics. First question in paper one. Even sometimes paper two, they'll bring from characteristics of living things. Okay, so know the definitions. Might as well check out some YouTube videos that simplify these things. I have some videos myself. I was teaching characteristics of living organisms. Okay, then another important thing, this one, it's a must. The ones that I'll be writing in red, you be careful with them. So if I write something in red, let me get my red marker. If I write something in red, it means that they are pay very much attention. Okay, this one is a must do. Okay, now the cells, please know both plant and animal cells. Okay, what you must know here is how to draw and how to label. Okay, they won't ask you to draw, but how to label and also give functions of cells. Okay, label, so you must know how to label a plant cell and an animal cell. Okay, know the functions. Okay, and here there's something they like bringing in case you see it. There's these things, they call them adaptations. They will mention a feature. Let's say they'll give you an example of a palisade cell, and here they'll tell you to give its adaptation. Okay, give its what? Adaptation. So the adaptation, you just mention. So when giving an adaptation, what do? You mention an organelle. For example, for this particular palisade cell, the adaptation is, the organelle is the what? The chloroplast, and then you give its function. Okay, so if you are said, a question says, what's the adaptation of a palisade cell? You're going to see the palisade cell as chloroplast. And what's the function of chloroplast? Photosynthesis, of course. What's the adaptation of a sperm cell? It has a tail. What's the function of that tail? It helps it to move. What's the adaptation of a red blood cell? It has hemoglobin. What's the function of that hemoglobin? Transport oxygen. So the adaptation looks at the part, a specific part of a cell, which will give that cell its function. Okay, what's the adaptation of a muscle cell? Okay, it has substances that helps it to do what? To contract. Okay, that's how it is adapted to its function. So for cells, please go intensively here. Okay, go and do them intensively, and also do especially specialized. That's what I'm talking about. Specialized cells. Okay, specialized cells. Do these please with all your or might and strength. Okay. Also this one, yeah. So do not miss on cells. We go to transport across cells. Please here just know what diffusion and also osmosis. Another one is active transport. I just study and know how this thing active transport. Okay, know these. Okay. Here you should know things like hemolysis, plasmolysis. If you study this topic and you don't know what these are, it means you haven't understood. You meaning you must study them again. The other one is lysis. If you just understand this, it means you've understood this whole topic here. Okay. Then under magnification here, just in case you must know the formula. Okay. Here you know the formula for magnification. Microscope, no parts and their functions. They might bring these. Okay. Now, then after that you go to nutrition. So under nutrition again, I'll write this in red. This one it's a must do. Oh, I'm using black, sorry. I mean blue. It's supposed to be in red. This one it's a must do. Don't go in the exam room if you don't do this topic. Okay. I mean, yes, you have to go for the exam room, but I mean, do this topic first before you go into the exam room. So here, no digestion. All the stages of digestion. So no digestion starting from the mouth until the large intestine. And here you should know the what? The specific enzymes involved. Okay. Digestion is quite large, so please take your time here, but understand this topic. Photosynthesis is also a must, please. Okay. You should also know the equation, the balanced equation. Now there's two stages under photosynthesis that I want you to know. There's what we call the dark reaction and the light reaction. Okay, so I'm just trying to make this simple as possible, just giving you hints and what you have to know as you go in the exam. So sorry, biology is very bulky. So transport system, these come both paper 1 and 2. This one again must do. Okay, for the plants you need to know the vascular system is made up of the phloem and the xylem. Know the functions and also the drawings here are very important. Okay, you need to know the drawings. How is the phloem and xylem arranged? Okay, in the what? Stem or in the roots. Okay, then here no transpiration. Okay, you should know factors that hinder or affect transpiration. Okay, and know some important things about transpiration. So just study this one. For man, know the blood circulatory system. Also, it's quite a very, very long topic. I'm sorry for that, but you have also to know it. Okay, here you start from the blood vessels, the heart, okay, and also you go to the lymphatic system. I just study through here. Under respiration, please know gaseous exchange, especially on the air sac. I made a video about this one some few days ago. The respiration. Okay. Excretion, you know this. I know I made a video. I know this and this. I also excretion. It's a must-do topic. Okay, it's a must-do what topic. And then you should know homeostasis, how the blood regulates blood sugar. Here the hormones you need to know are glucagon, insulin, okay, no thermoregulation, and this is done by the skin. Okay, know this thing. On locomotion, again, it's a must. Know the joints. You have the ball and socket joints, different type of joints, the hinge joints, know the muscles. Okay, so you have diagrams like this. There's a muscle there, there's a muscle there, then you have a joint here. Okay, know these diagrams, the vertebrae as well. Reproduction is an easy topic. I just need to know this one. If it comes, make sure you ace it. It's very simple. Health and diseases, also these they come. Okay, this guy must do. Don't go in the exam if you don't know genetics. Also, this one must do. Okay. So some of the things here, I didn't mention them because they, from what I was seeing in the past paper, some of them don't usually come. Okay, but just to keep this video simple, please do this for biology. Okay. If you have any questions or any request you want me to teach some topics here or something, please, I'll be available. Just leave it on the comment section. See you in my next video.